morning. This is Dr. Bruce Eimer. I'm the president of Personal Defense Solutions, and I'm also a licensed board-certified clinical psychologist, as well as an NRA-certified police firearms instructor and civilian firearms instructor in the disciplines of handgun and shotgun. Today we're going to spend the day together and have a lot of fun, and we're going to be covering basic defensive handgun. The goal of this class is to start from the beginning, to basically go over the fundamentals of the operation of a handgun, both the revolver and also the semi-automatic pistol, with a predominant focus on the pistol. We're going to cover the basics and the academic material here today in class this morning. And then we will reconvene together at the firing range, where we will do live fire exercises for the entire afternoon. But before you guys set foot on the range or even touch a gun and load a gun, we will have gone over everything as far as the handling aspects, the operational aspects, and the fundamental aspects of safety and marksmanship, hands-on, with unloaded guns, here this morning.